Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can post a journal on QuickBooks accounting software. To post the journals we need to go to Tools section and there is Journals section. Here I can access all journals or set up recurring journals. So I will click on all journals. From here to create journal, click on create journal. Firstly we need to add a journal summary. So in my case, I have telephone bill, telephone charges correction. I will copy this information. Select the date when you are posting this journal. In my case, I'm posting 1st of August. If you want to allocate to particular contact or project, select. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Number of journal lines. If you need more than 2 lines, just change number to, for example, 10, click update, and system will provide you with 10 journal lines here. The minimum count for journal to work need to be 2 rows. Okay, and debit should equal credits. So firstly, as I said at the top on journal summary, I need to do telephone charge correction. So I have posted something to telephone charges which shouldn't be there. So I will search by my phone code. So this is my cost code. Description, I will add telephone charge correction, and because costs often would be in debit side, so I want to reduce by £30. If I want to include in VAT returns, select one of these tick boxes, yeah. So because it's correction to costs, it would be definitely impacting purchases. In my case, I don't have VAT returns, so it doesn't apply to me. And actually, these £30 should be going to subscription. Subscriptions, yeah. And I will add information here. Okay, and of course, subscription will increase by £30. So total debits equal to total credits. If I'm happy with information, I can post journal and create new one, or I can just click on post journal. Now if I go to my all journals, there is my journal for telephone charges correction for £30. I can copy this journal, I can view, or I can edit. Also, I can set up recurring journals if there is some charges which will repeat going forward. So this is a way how you can post a journal, either it's a one-off journal or recurring journal, maybe it's standard journal or adjustment journal. It's up to you, but approach will be the same, how you will post it on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.